Hi, Mike from Custom Cruise here. Here we are changing these things on the Sprinter. Okay, drumsticks apparently they're called by various people at Mercedes Mertrux Derby. But basically we've undone the ball joint, which is new anyway. I changed that last week. Boots are absolutely knackered because they're old, like me. And as you can see, under there, we've got to get this off. Now, the new ones look a lot easier because they've got fucking flats on them. These wanky old ones don't. Looks like some kind of special tool. So we're going to try using one of these. This thing basically should bite into it and get it off. The more you pull on it, I don't know if you've seen these things, they sell them at markets, but they're actually very good. I thought they were a bit of a crock of shit, but they actually do work. So we're going to give it a go with this, see if we can get them off the rack. Then basically replace it with these, which have actually got the proper spanner threads on, which will obviously make life a lot easier. But couldn't find any videos on how to do this, and these boots are rock hard. You can buy the kits from Mercedes, about 23 quid, proper boot, you know, complete with the clamps. So to be honest with you, I don't think that's that bad, given it is a proper Merc part. These things, I'll be honest with you, are off eBay, but I think they're just recon original anyway. And the track ball joints, say, you know, they're off the dreaded eBay. Lower ball joints, they're Moog, top of the range. In fact, the ball joints are Moog. But I've done all these last week as well. But well worth doing if you've got one of these old Sprinters. Amazing vehicle, and well worth keeping on the road. Okay. If you're interested in any help, give us a bell. It's all free. 01773 835 666. CustomCruisers.com, the website, but nothing to do with Sprinters. Thank you.